This is Auntie and Amy's show.
And we are in IKEA. We are going to get some food.
Yeah, some food.
And we are going to even play there.
Yeah, so we are now almost getting inside of IKEA.
We are so close.
Yeah, we are almost getting hit by cars.
So we are going faster.
Okay, so we are almost there.
We just need to go. You just need to wait until we are there.
Yeah, and then
We are wearing masks because we are going inside.
yeah, and then it's like Corona and everything, and
Yeah. Corona.
we just
But
died.
Corona is already. Corona is almost finishing.
Yeah, so we are getting inside.
Let's go.
Getting
We are now in the door.
yeah.
We are swinging from the door.
There's a new member here. This Sheena.
Look, a cat.
Oh my God!
Let's do a high five.
Itos.
Itas. Ada suplada bukan? Yes.
we guys got candy.
Yeah, we got candy from that.
The carrot.
Show how it was.
That was a carrot girl.
Show how they carrot. Show them.
Yeah,
the
we will.
carrot
Not yet. We are going to show when.
when we are going home.
Yeah. Or maybe we can go from the other history. Probably people are staring. This is not. This is Sheena. And this is Mama.
Hey.
Hey.
My dad is calling. Your dad is calling you.
Hey, don't get it. But then here's Emmy. Is Emmy? Yeah, we got Dane.
We got.
It's
candy.
called Dane.
We got some Dane.
Oh no, Sheena, you're going to fall it.
Fall down, but good to have a rock.
Otherwise, it's oh. And okay, let's go. Go.
We are going to the elevator.
Yeah, the elevator.
Is somebody coming outside?
Okay, we're inside. Somebody.
With somebody.
Yeah.
Yeah. Which wall?
This one.
We are going. Which wall? Which? This is second.
Yeah.
We are going. We are in second floor right
Yes.
now. We are going to eat something.
Yeah.
And after that, we go downstairs and play
Yeah.
with my.
Oh my
with
gosh,
your-
this.
With my cousin, but my cousin will play up here because he cannot play down.
Yeah, because there's like an age limit and it's 7.
But I will play with my cousin's little sister. And
Where are we going to sit?
let's look for a seat when
Where do we even go? Where are we
Let's go there.
even?
Let's go there. Where we sat yesterday.
Da-da.
So
Where are you going?
I'm sitting here.
Who is this? And there's some Desi. I don't know who is this. It's this one. And I don't know who is. Just let's. Now change the space. I'm sitting here.
I'm sitting here.
Okay, these are mine. Okay, take your hat off.
Can you put my glove there and my
Your glove, you mean? I don't know.
I'll eat after this. I'll eat.
Yalki buat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dessert.
This is very.
Yang tiada.
Look.
Yeah. So you got put your mask down.
I'm going to put my mask like this
No.
because my it's not that because it's very big.
Yang motor tu.
What?
What do you want?
What would you, what
Huh?
What are we going to eat?
Makan ini?
I don't know what we going to eat. What are you
You
going
want to eat?
My name is Sheena and
Ataki.
this is Essie right here.
Yeah, and then there's Amy, right?
Eh?
And this is Babe, my little sister.
Ataki.
This little
Ya mumeshiba, wameshiba. Okay. Wakule yalki yatelo.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sana visira ya.
Can you help me to put this one like this?
Ibu jata
Yeah,
ya.
like this. Just spin it around because it's
Sweet
too big.
Dia liya pula.
Nhà nào cũng là liên hợp
Okay, can you open the candy?
Who's the ice cream đó?
Huh?
Okay.
Remember ice cream?
Yeah, but first let's eat the candy because it's so tiny.
Are we eating the ice? Are we eating this? Mommy.
Yes.
Okay.
Open it. I don't know how to open it. Can you open?
Ui,
Wanakata hivi.
they just scatter it.
But I have only one.
Ana meno hiyo.
She not there.
Your
She might
meno.
be.
Sina. Oh, it's Acey's teeth. It's big one. Eh? Tell me, Sina.
Do it.
Talking about me.
It's like,
It's like this.
no?
Hey, she told me that
Not
guy
like
it was.
this. It's like this.
Eh?
It's a little noisy here.
Look, this is how it looks inside. This is how we look inside.
Eh,
How about
We got it from the carrot lady.
We got it for the carrot lady. We will show you until we go.
Yeah, in the end.
That's going to be a surprise. Guys,
Looks like
how do you
100
think the carrot lady looks like?
Maybe she looks like maybe a carrot. Somebody. There's like a lot of people. Yeah,
Because it's morning.
nani wanako?
but yes,
Sina wants to make the air.
yeah, a bun, a space bun. But it was kind of
This was blue air.
in Kenya. This was in Kenya.
Until now.
Yeah. Now we are
Really
just
funny.
Wow.
now we're just waiting. Now we're just waiting for our food.
I'm going to, me and my cousin will order, what was it, ice cream.
Ice cream, which kind of ice cream?
I take strawberry.
Okay. I will get vanilla.
Vanilla.
I need. Say there.
You want vanilla? Okay. She wanted vanilla
I'm taking strawberry.
and vanilla. I'm taking vanilla.
Look at my necklace. A nice necklace I got it from my friend.
What friend?
I got from my
School friend?
Yeah. No. A friend who's my friend.
Okay.
I'm going to put my mask on. car. I'll just flip a little bit. Why are you copying me?
Yeah, but we have to make the other people not show in the video. We probably cover
Oh
it.
no, there's some people who's coming behind us.
Shina, you're too close to the camera.
Do I this today? Do I this?
There's a long line over there. And there's a long line, so it may take a little longer.
Maybe you can go and play when you're waiting for the line.
Now we're just gonna talk to the camera.
Which camera is
To you guys.
Yeah, you guys.
What? What? What is going to be our name?
I don't know, maybe
Hello Kitty? Hello Kitty?
our video. It said we are going to IKEA, but our we are just talking to the computer. Okay.
Look at guys right here.
I thought you were having a butt, and then look at this. You see this person's hair.
I have a bun and
Mommy, look at this person's hair.
the other is what?
Huh?
Huh?
Look,
And the other
the other one bun, and the other one is down.
Put them both
Tina,
of them
remove the
down.
jacket.
Huh?
I will
Remove
open
the
it.
jacket. Look at this.
This is Harami. This is not jacket.
Okay.
You can just remove the top one.
I'm removing half.
Yeah, I mean the half one. There's like 100 cars over there.
And can you even count all of them? You take
You
one
have
more.
another jacket inside.
Huh?
Oh, yes.
Who?
Many.
Yeah.
Why too much? It's too hot. And also outside it's 0.
Mm. You know what?
Even me, I'm wearing too.
Why?
Yeah. She has like a tape like that.
No, it is long like this, but there's no holes.
She's calling this all.
Holes.
Huh?
Is this holes, guys?
Yeah,
Is this hole?
yeah, this is holes.
No,
Trust me.
it's not hole.
Look at
Trust
Tina.
me. It's holes.
Hmm.
But guys, you're going to
Do I
see
get-
us
do I
in
get to the-
summer to going on an airplane.
We are going to do this every single day. This is the first day doing.
Coffee.
Huh?
A video, you mean? A YouTube video?
Yeah, this is the
Ano
first
yung
time
mula
doing
pala, Chris?
YouTube.
Huh? Where?
Who you?
I can see the mask.
I cannot see
Chris.
you.
Oh yeah. Our video is like 30 minutes long. So sorry guys if it takes a little long.
We need to do what says in the board, in the house board. And second is what?
What?
After this is going to be what?
I think nap time.
Or you will be playing.
Look at Tina.
This
Yeah,
camera
nice.
light.
Too light.
What?
There's too much light on me.
No, the lighting is good, Sheena.
How was Kenya, Tina?
Yeah, talk about it.
I visited Kenya.
It was so good. We took a picture of
Okay, the camera.
we were taking a picture of all the animals.
Like what kind of animals were
Like
there?
cows,
Talk louder for the camera.
cows, some chicken, and
Chicken.
there's a chicken who got baby chicks.
Ooh, you saw baby chicks.
Yeah, it cracked. The egg cracked, and then there was
Hatching.
it cracked, and then huh?
The baby is coming.
Yeah, it is growing.
Yeah, but mine is going here.
Mine go here. Look. Here, up here, in the middle,
When
and
is the
here.
food coming?
See, look.
Nothing is coming for you guys.
Huh?
Soda.
Soda? You say
You
soda.
said ice cream.
Why soda?
You said ice cream.
Yeah.
Only ice cream. Oh, yeah.
Big.
We get to pick now.
Yeah.
Okay, you get to talk. Maybe we go. Do we go? Okay, guys, we are going now.
Where are we
Our
going?
ice.
Yeah.
I check with them. Okay.
Wait, can
You want a vanilla?
Yeah. Wait, I want to.
People are looking but don't care.
Jesus, I thought what happened to this table?
Yeah, they put two
It is
tables.
like a family. It's like
Okay.
a family sitting. all
Guys,
together.
there's like 100 ice cream, so
But
let me see.
there is, I thought there was strawberry ice cream. Oh,
Yes,
here.
it is.
Here's strawberry.
Vanilla, vanilla.
Huh? Who is taking Marina? Oh,
My
your
sister.
Your baby girl. Wait. I didn't.
It's Amelia. Where is he? My dad is coming. Okay, there. So, we have Billy Mehu.
Let's eat our ice cream and then play.
Yeah, this is kind of long.
I wish I can play with you.
Yeah, but you can't.
But can I even come? Can I even go to that place?
Yeah, everybody can go there.
Even me.
Yeah, even 100. Okay,
Let's eat.
now we are eating. Here's yours. Here's mine.
That was so easy to open.
But I think it's kind of hard for the view. Mommy, can you? Oh, can you?
Look, it's chocolate and inside this. Chocolate.
Yeah, it's chocolate outside and
Inside there's strawberry or
mine
vanilla.
is vanilla and there was
Wait,
a
show me.
mint one. There was a
Banana.
mint one.
I didn't like. I didn't
Mint
want.
is there.
Yeah. I'm eating only the chocolate part.
Me too. So then I can eat the vanilla.
Me, I don't want to eat almond to bite with my teeth here.
Yeah.
Or else it will finish so fast.
Yeah, we are eating the chocolate bar.
But it will start dropping.
No, because it has this outer layer.
Are you going to church tomorrow?
Huh?
Church.
They said no.
Dad, I see your dad coming.
Yeah.
You say no.
Dad,
Why?
because you are gone.
I'm almost finished. Look.
Now, đang có sao giờ? Dạ sao vậy? On camera.
Hiyo karibu aanguke. Hii ni gani? Sa ulisema ya aiku ile.
Yeah, unasema ya alikuwa ina.
Ungesema ya lapsa.
Yeah, but I love that itakuwa tu moja. Yeah.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry guys. We dropped you.
It's going to melt.
No.
I'm almost finished. Look.
Me too.
Is the ice cream free?
Yeah.
Um. This Pear juice. This is pear juice. 2 pages. 3 pages.
Yeah, because Amelia has one.
Did I order? If you want to see, we can show you.
I'm almost done.
Huh? Yeah, that's starting to leak.
Me too.
Petit pain aussi avec.
There was no peppers coming.
People coming.
A lot of people they are coming, and even some they are going.
That when we were trying to like park, there was no space.
I couldn't find one parking spot.
But then we found one.
I'm almost finished.
Sheila, here.
There was no peppers coming.
Yeah, no peppers. Do you have tissue paper?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
thanks. Sheila, you can do it like this.
How many?
Sheila, you do that.
Thank you. Let me do my pepper like this,
No, you do like this.
like a princess.
Yeah, because we are on camera.
It's almost starting to melt. It says no ice cream plane there, so we cannot go.
Uh-huh.
And not even shoes, so we need to remove our shoes.
Bagus ka, baby?